Android Auto not working has been criticized by many folks at times. Well, this easy guide covers why isn't Android Auto working and how to fix it with the least delay possible. Fix Android Auto not working with 9 quick methods. Method 1. Check your paired car settings. Method 2. Check if your car is compatible. Method 3. Launch support ticket. Method 4. Ensure your phone is auto-capable. Method 5. Check your USB cable. Method 6. Repair car's infotainment system. Method 7. Clear cache and storage. Method 8. Update Android phone and Android Auto. Method 9. Restart Android Auto head unit. Ultimate way to fix Android Auto not connecting. There is an almost perfect solution to settle the matter of Android Auto stops working quickly. As a phone system repair expert, Android Repair is able to deal with all kinds of system glitches and get your phone back to normal at short notice.